'cause it's a heat wave, baby. I am schwitzing. It is hot. So hot. We've got ice cream, we've got vodka. What could go wrong? I scream, you scream, we all scream for booze-soaked ice cream. Adult slushies by the pool? Well, now you've got my attention. Let's talk. Adult slushies by the pool made with Prosecco? Oh, I do think that is a very, very good thing. Stick around as I will show you how to make the best drink of summer. Hi wine lovers, I'm Erin, the founder and chief sommelier at the Wine Sisters, and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is the place where every week we show you how to eat, drink, and entertain like a pro. And today, friends, I have got a great one for you. I'd like to think I always have a great one, but this one's particularly apropos. We are talking about the Italian slushy drink called the Sgroppino. I hope I got that right. If you speak Italian better than I do, and chances are you do, I think I got that. Let me know in the comments if maybe I kind of missed the mark. Sgroppino. Well, what exactly is this kind of magical elixir? It's a beautiful drink that mixes Prosecco, vodka, and lemon sorbet. It hails from the Veneto, from Venice, where Prosecco and lemons reign, and so we're gonna do a little bit of a beat the heat cocktail. Now, here in Toronto, we are literally in the middle of a heat wave. In fact, there's even a heat warning. I am not complaining. I've waited a long time for the heat to set in, and set in it has. It feels like a blanket, a heavy, oppressive blanket, even here in the air conditioning home. I just ran in because we're having a bit of a pool party. So, little trivia fact for you, today on this recording, it's actually my sister's birthday, and so we're having a fun little pool party, and this is what I'm going to be serving. But we're also just days away from Canada Day, and for our lovely American friends, we're also just days away from your national holiday of Independence Day. So I actually think this is a really excellent and elegant garden party, poolside, dockside cocktail that's really great. You know, sometimes it's fun to have a theme. We always like to have a theme for our parties, but it's also nice to have a little bit of elegance that goes along with that theme. And I think this one fits the bill just right. There's a sense of drama, there's a sense of whimsy, it's a whole lot of fun, and most importantly, it's absolutely delicious. And in true Wine Sister style, dead easy to make. Okay, let me show you how you do it. So I have a little bit of my lemon sorbet. I'm gonna put in a nice healthy scoop. Now you can use a champagne flute if you would like, but I'm not. Champagne flute, even a coupe would be really pretty. I'm going to use this Bordeaux style glass because I like the size that it gives me. So I'm gonna put in a nice healthy scoop into that. Then I'm going to put in 1 ounce of vodka. Now I'm just using regular vodka. If you wanted to double down on the lemon flavor, you could get a citrus flavored vodka, or if you wanted to, you could even flavor your own vodka. All you have to do is pour some into a clean mason jar or container, drop in, let's say, mint or basil, and then you just tightly seal it, leave it to marinate overnight, maybe 2 days if you really want to get that flavor really out there. Then you strain the herbs out of it and you'll have a nice flavored vodka. So that's one option for you if you'd like. And then, now that we've got our vodka and our lemon sorbet, I'm going to add in Prosecco. Now, Prosecco is the classic drink, and notice here, I've got this cute little bottle because if you're only gonna be making a drink or two, these are really great. You don't waste any. You could use a bigger bottle, obviously, but if you're not going to be using it all, check out last week's video where we showed you how to close your wines, your open wines, and that will make them last and extend the freshness for a number of days after you've already opened them. So that was last week. Check out that video right here if you would like to see that. All I'm gonna do is gently top up the bubbly into my glass. And if you're uncertain on how to open up a bottle of bubbly, I teach wine classes, and this seems to be something that people get a little bit scared about. So if you're nervous at all about that, just check out this video on how to open up sparkling, which will also go through the differences between Prosecco, Cava, Champagne, the whole bit. So look at that right there. But that's it, guys. Now all we need is a fun little garnish. I'm going to use, excuse me, I forgot my garnish. I'm back. I just picked this lovely mint straight from my garden. So I'm just going to plop it right in there. Plop. How elegant is that? I'm gonna plop it in there. No, I'm going to place it oh so elegantly. Let it infuse so I'll have this beautiful Sgroppino. Sgroppino. That's the Italian way. So this is essentially an adult slushie. We've got the lemon sorbet, the Prosecco, the vodka. Nothing could be easier. It's super fun. It's super delicious. It has a sense of drama, a sense of whimsy. It's really unusual, but it is fantastic for beating the heat. Whew, it's hot. It's hot. Have I said that already? Yeah, it's brilliant for beating the heat on a terrific summer day. So cheers, friends. I'll be back next week with another video on how to eat, drink, and entertain like a pro. But if you enjoyed this, please leave us a comment about what you'd really like to know more about or what you're enjoying this summer. And if you think that this is worthy to the wine-loving friends in your life, send it along to them. So give us a share, give us a like, hit that bell and subscribe, so that means that you can get alerted to every time we drop a new video, which is every single week. Until then, stay well, drink better, friends.